everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I didn't want to film. I really didn't want to film, and Dana made me. If you guys don't know who Dana is, she is a friend of mine, and she is on Instagram as why can I not think of her thing? Eyeshadow Junkie at Heart, I believe is what her Instagram is. If you aren't following her, you should be. She is so awesome. But she made me film tonight, even though I didn't want to. She yelled at me on Heyday and said I had to because she wanted to watch this video. So here I am, I'm filming, and I'm not like down or depressed or anything like that. I'm frustrated. This is my no buy. This is my 29-month no buy update, and I have not bought anything. So those of you that are like, oh my God, did she buy? No, I didn't. I didn't. The problem is I want to. I really want to. And I don't want to at the same time. I'm struggling this month. There's a lot of really cool things that are out, and I'm struggling. And I know Black Friday is coming in a week, and that is usually what gets me. I don't know what to do. I am doing my Christmas list, my wish list. I was going to put it in with this video, but I couldn't bring myself to look at the websites just to pull the pictures and everything else to show you today, because I just feel that tempted right now, and I don't want to feel tempted. I know I'm going to put stuff on my Christmas list, and I'm pretty sure I'll get most of it, but I'm so conflicted as a painter and wanting to reduce my collection, and then I'm also conflicted because I'm an enthusiast and I miss having new and interesting stuff. I'm bored with what I'm working on right now, but I've committed to projects and the experiment and everything else. I know you guys, some of you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm frustrated. That's why I did not want to film this video. I'm in great spirits, I really am. But when you're struggling with, and I hate to say it, but it's true. It's an addiction. And you can see both sides of, you know, don't buy, buy, don't buy, buy. I mean, it's been a very long time since I've bought anything. So that part of me is like, go ahead, buy something, treat yourself nice. And then the other side of me is like, you have so much still that you shouldn't buy. So I don't know. I didn't want to come on here and do this video like this. Not like with my makeup or my hair like this, but in this state of mind. But one thing that I pride myself on with my channel is it's not perfect. It is real life. What you see is what you get. I don't put on a show for you guys, and this is where my headspace is right now. I am completely conflicted on what to do. My big problem, and I have said this since day one, is sale shopping. And this time of year is so hard. So much stuff is coming out. So much stuff is getting ready to go on amazing sale. There's already pre-Black Friday sales, and then Black Friday's coming up, and then Cyber Monday, and then there's going to be like a whole season of, oh, you missed it for Black Friday. We've marked it down even more. And I just don't know what to do. So I'm asking you guys what you think I should do with this. I kind of still want to make it to the 3 years. I mean, a big part of me, a strong feeling inside of me says make it to that 3-year mark, because not a lot of people do that. And I kind of want to be successful in that, but I also kind of want new stuff. And I know Christmas is coming, and I don't know. What are your thoughts? Seriously, I want to know. Give me the good, the bad, the ugly. I mean, you can you can just say, shut the heck up, Jess. It's makeup. It's not that big of a deal, or whatever you want to say. You're not going to hurt my feelings unless you're just plain rude, and then I will probably ignore you. But most of my viewers aren't that way. I get a troll every now and again, but most of my viewers are really They're really sweet and they're very insightful. They have opinions and they express them in a very constructive way, and I appreciate that. So I'm asking you guys to do that today. If you don't mind, put in the comments what you're thinking watching me deal with this struggle. I've had a few struggles here or there in my 29 months, but the feeling is strong, like really strong right now. And I think it's because with me having been sick and me being stressed with everything, there's just so much going on in my life right now. Nothing horrible, just it's just so busy. I just don't get any time to rest. So I'm sure that is some of it. I just don't know what to do. Yeah, my dog is back there. So if you hear things or see things, it's just my dog settling down behind me. My sweet doggy. I don't know what to do. Should I just put stuff on the Christmas list? I don't know. That video is going to be coming up here in the next few days. I'm hoping I'm going to have like the wherewithal to go on these websites, capture the pictures so that I can show you what I have on my wish list. And I have like varying degrees of wish list of like, I really, really want, I kind of want, oh, this is pretty. So, I'm not sure how you guys want me to present that to you. There's several websites that I like to shop from, and one that I have not shopped from that I want to shop from. I don't know. Let me know what's on your radar, what you're buying, if you're buying, how you're dealing with your no-buy. I need encouragement right now. I desperately need encouragement. I'm going to wrap this up because I kind of feel like Debbie Downer, even though, I mean, I feel positive, but I don't know. I don't know what to say, guys. I really don't. I hate putting out a video like this, but this is real. This is where I am right now, and it's not all sunshine and roses all the time. And you know, sometimes we deal with hashtag first world problems, and this is my first world problem today. So yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking, and how you guys are dealing with, you know, what is tempting you, and you know, just whatever suggestions, you know, cares, concerns, criticisms, all that kind of stuff. Put them down there. I read it all, and I don't always get back to my comments. I don't always reply to all of my comments now just because I've been so busy, but I do read them. I really do. Just let me know what you guys are thinking. Like I said, I'm just going to wrap this up because this is just kind of rambly and weird for me tonight. So I'm going to cut it right here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.